Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 2 from exercise 7.4. So the question state that we have to solve the fraction. Two fractions are added, subtracted. So we have to solve this. Okay, the question is very easy. I hope you people will understand and enjoy today's session. 1 by 18 and 1 by 18 we have to add it. So as you can see, the denominators are same in both the case. As the denominators are same, so we can write one denominator, that is two denominators are same, so 18 can be written. So if you want to go for LCM directly, 18 1 j is 18, so directly we can write 18 as a one denominator. So when you have the same denominator, then numerator can be added directly, 1 plus 1. So the value which we will be getting here is 2 divided by 18, or you can reduce this into simplest form, it is 1 by 9. Alright students, so I hope you have understood this. So this is the simple logic, right? Okay, this is applied when we have the same denominator. We will be solving the fraction of addition and subtraction when there are different denominators. Okay, at that time I will be showing you the trick to solve those also. Okay, let us now solve number B. Number B question is 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. As mentioned, when you have the same denominator, that is 15 in both the case, then we can write one denominator there, okay, and add the numerator directly, 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11 divided by 15, and the value of this addition of the fraction 8 by 15 and 3 by 15 is 11 by 15. Okay, let us solve now question number C. Question number C we have is 7 divided by 7 minus 5 divided by 7. Now you know that we have the same denominator, so write one form of a denominator, that is 7, and numerator 7 minus 5, which is 2 divided by 7 as an answer. Okay, very good. I hope you people are understanding. 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22, same denominator, write down one denominator, then add the numerator, 1 plus 21, it is 22 divided by 22. That means which actually means it is 1, because 22 by 22 is 1, right? Okay, next number E. 12 divided by 15 minus 7 divided by 15. We have the same denominator, 15 there. We'll write that. Directly write 12 minus 7, which is 5 by 15, which is 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, can be reduced into the simplest form, that is 1 by 3 as an answer. Isn't it? Very easy, very cool. Alright. Okay, number A, that is 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. You will be doing as a home assignment. Try it. Comment down your answer please. Number G, 1 minus 2 by 3, and the hint is also given in the question that 1 can be written as 3 by 3. Yes, of course 1 can be written as 3 by 3. So can I write in place of 1 3 by 3, as because it is given in the question only, minus 2 by 3. So when you have the same denominator, directly subtraction of the denominator can be done. 1 by 3 is the value, right? Very easy. So number H, 1 by 4 plus 0 by 4. I request you all to do this as a home assignment. Very easy one. Kindly comment down. The last one, 3 minus 12 divided by 5, and here we have the LCM as, here we have the denominator as 1, because nothing is given, means the denominator is 1. So here you can see the denominators are totally different. So we are touching that part of the exercise, that is 7.6. okay, very important one. So when you have this different denominator, LCM should be done. So 5, as because it is 1, so 5 1s are 5 can be written. So our LCM is 5. Now what we are going to do here is, we will be dividing this 1 and 5. So this 1 will be dividing 5. If I divide this 1 by 5, what will be the value? 1 5s are 5, everyone knows. Now what question we got? Q what we got? It is 5. So 5 should be multiplied with this 3. 5 into 3. Okay, clear? Once again I am repeating. So first of all, the LCM should be taken, whatever the denominator, different denominators are given. Then after that 1 should be dividing 5. 5 will be the answer. This 5 will be multiplying this 3. Alright, this 5 should be multiplying this 3. Next, whatever the sign is there, minus sign is there, so let us put minus sign. Then this 5 should be dividing this 5. Step by step process is there. Okay, at first few sums you may have a problem, might be, but don't worry, when you will be very much familiar, you will be easily directly without dividing, without multiplying, you will get the answer. So 5 1s are 5. So what question you got? 1. So 1 should be multiplied with 12. So 1 into 12. Now if I multiply this value, 5 3s is 15, minus 1 into 12 is 12, divided by 5, as we got the denominator 5. Now 15 minus 12 is 3, divided by 5 as an answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood the sums, what we have done with the same denominator, with the different denominator. We will be touching this part in a more detailed manner in exercise 7.6. okay, so for today this much. Alright, see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.